Abeiku Santana sabotaged me. He wanted my ECG contract terminated. Mzbel alleges. And this came on the wings of an interview that Abeiku granted to an upcoming act who told him that he wanted to use Mzbel as a collabo. He they see Mzbel. I'm 16.
Yes.
He they believe him.
Yeah.
But Abeiku was surprised because there are so many artists around, the Kiddies, the Kwame Eugenes, the Black Sheriffs, and the Adinas, the Cephas. So he shocked, say, the guy go school. I could tell, I'm not holding brief for Abeiku, no. But I'm trying to get into his mind's eye to figure out why he behaved in that manner. It's been a while since Mzbel sang anyway, but that didn't give him...
what did the guy? What was the
Abeiku, he say we want. In fact, my people, I don't want to speak on this. Okay. There's a video of this as it ensued in the studio, so you can get onto our Facebook page, Hits 103.9 FM, and let's check it out and let's hear what Tornado was the first to fire Abeiku Santana. You know Tornado, they were friends. You know if you ask Schwarzenegger, Mzbel, and Tornado, they be good friends.
Yeah.
So Tornado also they alleged some things. Feeling that because of the bad blood between Efiashwa and Mzbel, that's why Abeiku is behaving in the way. People, so many allegations here. So let's quickly take this one from Abeiku. What actually happened for the whole brouhaha to start?
Do you have in mind any artists that you want to feature or do collaboration with?
For now, I think it's Mzbel.
Huh?
Mzbel. I want to feature Mzbel. That's all.
Mzbel.
Yeah.
Former artist Mzbel.
Yeah.
She's a former artist.
But she did great. We have to learn how to celebrate people. She don't have to go before you started saying that, oh yeah, she did this, she's alive. And she did.
Very quick. We have to learn to celebrate people. That means indirectly the guy was telling Abeiku that he's not learning to celebrate the people. No, it's true. Because that is how I decode them.
Some people they believe say Ghana with the dispose of.
Yes, we set the tone for an artist to stop business, which is wrong.
So like see Patapa for example. No, make you no laugh. You see Patapa. See, regardless, it do something significant in the Ghana music industry.
Yeah, one corner.
One corner.
You make people climb
churches,
poles, and everything.
Everywhere.
That's one corner.
You
Nigeria,
go
even the challenge in Nigeria.
So we for celebrate, but you see, they go mention Patapara. You see, as I mentioned, some people they laugh.
Yeah, I laugh.
You see,
some of the things they talk we are carry. You have sometimes to do I release.
Spark or Tomana. You remember these things. So let's celebrate.
Great. Yeah.
Challenge.
But in fact, Abeiku no notice it, then the guy the one throw job for the show. He throw subtle job. Let's learn to sell. Let's learn. The learn he take Adams and we make people go on them. All right, so my people, now let's listen to what Odi Tornado had to tell Sako.
Did they celebrate?
No, I say Sako there. Sako there names have come here. What Odi Tornado had to say about this whole stuff. All right, so so Tornado,
Okay.
All right.
Hey, Abeiku Santana. Kwasi asembeng enendra utra radio station ho ana wudi no Abeiku Santana kwasi asembeng enendra young artist no about radio station no udi wo no obi about radio station na wo bisa de say moya no nya obi feature no our music industry nim na young artist he can say Mzbel wo bisa say former artist. Hey, Abeiku Santana, we are very Abeiku Santana, you are very stupid man. Awo Abeiku Mzbel Timpo Umpos yan friend say who your former radio presenter. Hey, Abeiku Santana, who the hell do you think you are? Abeiku today ma dwenwa fitindi da rajo ma dwenwa sa fitindi da rajo. Abeiku Santana asem na oka no adwe bako bonim na Abeiku said ya wuti wo be so wutimpo obi anka say who your former radio presenter. Abeiku, why do you still think say who your radio presenter na in your little life no or in your miserable life? Abeiku Santana, do you still think in your miserable life, no, you are still a radio presenter in Ghana? That is a no. If you still think You are a radio presenter in Ghana. Then Abeiku Santana, you are deceiving yourself. Abeiku Santana, let me tell you something. Me buy industry 12, 13 years ago, no. Delay catch up say, Obi I mean who ye power no. I wo Abeiku Santana. Because the worker there snitch and a hypocrite. Abeiku Santana, the Lord is prepared to say, oh, you're number one. And Pala to be by no. Be the mania to talk 1 or 2. Me who's oh, you're very, very, very hypocrite. Abeiku, who boy is Pauti, Obi I can say, oh, you're former radio presenter. And I will refer Mzbel as a radio presenter.
Well, my people, that is the news. Very strong words there. We had to edit them, even though some will argue that they are just descriptions, you know. But anyway, my people, you see, Dolores Frimpong name to come inside, but Oditonado, you can't just reveal names like that because they tell you something in confidence. Why delay himself? No, come tell Abeiku say Abeiku have told people to watch out because you be bad person. I don't know whether you get it because right now if there's some good rapport between Abeiku and delay, he go mom, which is not too smart, right? So, but people now, Mzbel has also spoken. She should go work in tea. She should go work in 054-884-1039. 054-884-1039. I'm not going to keep long here today. All right, so let's listen to what Mzbel had to say to this as well after Abeiku Santana called a former artist.
Me a live video be say I check, but I think say it's about time. Can me imagine say asem way me nka hwe. One Debbie Dama minya chance echo radio so na nka ma address asem way, but me hu say me nia tornado ama be kan asem enti me be kan kakra afa ho. It's about Abeiku Santana anapa we you say enwumre and I'll be sending me video be Abeiku Santana and you be or grant or big or interview be on you be here abrante be here na abrante no e can say onya yanko ni me be nyum and blah blah blah, and Abeiku has only negative something to say about me. I'm sure some of you have seen this video. So who video no dia Abeiku Santana I can safa me ho na ni wi a me pena media to the same platform for am away home. See, me can say I am the best musician in Ghana or even in my neighborhood, but I am still a musician. Me bonyum se me nye de ana me nyum nye de crampo at least nipa kakra bi ene je me nyum ho. Me started say me nyum about 18 years ni. One of the few people in our industry almost sabotage me, backbite me, but turn around and smile with me and act as if they support me. Abeiku Santana. Abeiku Santana is one of the few people in our industry. Say uba fufro na one question say one sake up to them, begging them, chasing them to be part of your team or work with you or blah blah blah, whatever it is. They will sabotage you. They will sabotage you to ube fili wo wubon. Woni obi a grant interview na se nipa no edena koma so ni Mzbel be anyum na wo mpe Mzbel asem krampo a ensese anka wo ka hwe because level a wo nipa animu no wo di ama wo ho e social media no na nka ensa nka Abeiku Santana so obi ti obi ho adanse ana so obi ka obi ho asem papa wo ma that kind of comment, but a son e yebusuban sana wotie. I remember very well back in the days. Me and Kasamini mi team. Yet na si a year proposal they call ECG. Say anka yedi be buadum so. Na ya kasafa illegal connection. Me di proposal equal to ECG fu enim any other energy companies enim. Omoneji ho eji to mu say they will support me with everything I need to do this campaign. Me start to say me a campaign and rubebia and I frame me from this big of one of these big offices. See, every time say only Abeiku Santana our problem ana. I have the best things to say about him. I said, oh, he's good. Oh, yes, I said nice things about him. And they were surprised, say, I was that naive. Because Abeiku Santana to Nika, Echo, in Penuphobia, Echo catch say, why would you use Mzbel to do a campaign for ECG when there are better artists like Sarkodie, Yvonne Nelson, Omo Yese, why Mzbel no shada nyanyum to nipa pebia ena ne brandy cry air time. Hey, like he has the worst things to say about me. Nipa your friend me can't ask him to nipa titrupa penyimu pa. But he was able to tell me word to word. And so when people are coming in answering me, Abeiku Santana, etu nika, eko, openyi bi office ko kan farm just because we who say me ye campaign ama ECG. And this say Valco and other energy companies. And to him, no office say be ya mama sika kesiye bi mensem fata say ECG for better mechi na ma ye promo amom na ma ye campaign amom nti Abeiku Santana ko ECG for office e ko ka kire opanyin bi wo ho say mensem fata nti ka mo po bi ma na ye ko bibi say ya sa akodie Yvonne Nelson.
All right, so allegations made by Mzbel against renowned broadcaster Abeiku Santana. And Tornado, you cannot say Abeiku is a former broadcaster. It is not possible. The person is in active line of duty. I don't know whether you are getting me. Mekri, if he was not on air, that would have been a different situation. But the guy is on air working. So to say he's a former...
Yeah, he can't say that. He shouldn't say that and can't say that. And however, I suggest that the reason he is saying, and this is not to defend him, is that he feels Mzbel also just not long ago recorded and released the song.
Yeah. So on that score, she's not former. So I can understand.
Yeah, I guess that's what he's.
He didn't put
from.
it in, but knowing what you know, I mean, this is piecing information together, right? So thank you very much for that one, Mekri.
Right.
We know you are not defending him.